the times we roll. Around the city where they call me town hero. No, the whip is automatic and it's black as Don Cheeto. Yeah, but we can start from ground zero. I don't know if it's...
Good morning. I just wanted to say that
deep down here now we know that it's not meant to last, they better all the times we roll. Around the city where they call me town hero. No, the whip is automatic and it's black as Don Cheeto. Yeah, but we can start from ground zero. I don't know if it's me talking or the crown and Casamigo.
Send crypto to friends with Binance. Go to the app and select gift cards. There are many great designs to choose from. Click send gift card. Choose the gift card you want to use and send crypto to friends.
Blockchain technology was introduced to the public back in 2008 via Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin white paper. Blockchains can be divided into three main categories: public blockchains, private blockchains, and consortium blockchains.